Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up auto reply in Meta Business Suite. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go to your inbox, and once you have done this, you need to select automated responses. After doing this, configure your instant reply, away message, and frequently asked questions. This will allow you to automatically respond to messages, acknowledge incoming message, and guide conversations. So for automated messages, you can simply click on automated responses, and for instant reply, choose Messenger, Instagram, or both. Write your welcome greetings and preview your message, and then save changes. Now, for away message, you can also set up an away message to be sent when you are unavailable. Edit and schedule your away message for instant replies, and you can also customize your frequently asked questions. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.